Excuse me.
Papunta pa lang kami.
Excuse me.
Uy, oh my God, Romel.
Bigla talagang may excuse me.
Excuse me, exclusive to.
Ay,
Anong latest chika?
Ang chika. Anong chika?
ano? Baya, patahimikin mo ngayon, Carl? Joke lang.
Tumahimik ka.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aray ko naman.
This one is...
Sa tayo punta?
Uy, race to.
Sa Air 3.
Race.
Out of Calgary.
Yes, it's like how many minutes?
How many
30?
minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4,
20? 50. Di nga, 50.
Especially that it's kind of, you know,
Traffic.
it's trash hour.
Rush
Yeah.
hour. Like a pizza, you know.
KFC.
You want a pizza, you want it what? Because you're hungry.
Uy, Romel.
OT. Overtime. Ito payslip.
Kuya, look at it. It's so dusty.
Touch it. Clean it with your fingers.
Uy, tagal natin hindi nag-video. Ano ba yan?
This is a... What's this? Can I say, wow, is this a touchscreen?
Do I look like an iPad to you? I may be big.
Where?
Your iPad.
iPad 2 o 1?
Ice cream. Ice cream. Where?
Mabanat si Ate Lulu.
Okay, musta ka naman, Carl?
Hindi kita kalala.
Ba yan? Bala ka. Joke lang.
What kind of music is that? There's no
Shut
like
up.
a G6?
Here, you put yours. There